What if I told you that you can now build an entire AI-powered SaaS application with almost no manual coding? And I'm not talking about a simple landing page. I'm talking about a real full-stack platform with a modern UI, database, authentication system, AI image generation, animations, and even live deployment to the internet. And today we're going to build all of it using ZOER AI. In this video, I'll show you how to take a simple design inspiration and turn it into a fully working AI image generator platform powered by Nanobanana. And honestly, the speed of this workflow is insane. So if you want to learn how modern AI SaaS apps are being built in 2026, you're going to love this video. So with no further ado, let's start the show. So guys, right now we're on the official website of ZOER. And honestly, this feels like ZOER 2.0. ZOER was already impressive before, but now the platform has evolved into something on a completely different level. It's becoming a complete AI-powered development platform that can handle everything from generating beautiful UIs to building the backend, creating databases, setting up authentication, and even deploying the final application, all through simple prompts. And the craziest part is that you can build full stack applications simply by chatting with AI. Now, right here in the center of the page, we have the main prompt box. This is where you describe the kind of website or application you want to create. And down here at the bottom, you'll notice the agent option. Agent mode is enabled by default, and it's powered by Claude Opus 4.6, which is currently one of the most advanced AI models available. Inside agent mode, you have two different options. We have ZOER Flash, which is optimized for fast and cost-efficient everyday builds. And then we have ZOER Pro, which gives you much stronger reasoning capabilities for more advanced and complex projects. Now, if you want, you can also disable agent mode and manually choose a different AI model instead. ZOER currently supports multiple powerful models, including Claude, Gemini, and Minimax. Since Claude performs extremely well for generating full-stack applications, I'm going to keep agent mode enabled so we can fully take advantage of its capabilities. Now, one of the most important parts of building websites with AI is having strong design inspiration for your UI. And this is something ZOER does really well. Right below the prompt box, you'll find a collection of beautiful templates and projects created by other users. You can explore these designs, get inspiration from them, and even use them as a starting point for your own project. For this video, I'm going to build a modern SaaS website for an AI-powered image generator platform. And for the design inspiration, I'm going to use this concept right here. Now, if you're wondering where to find high-quality UI inspiration like this, one of the best places is Dribbble. You can browse through thousands of professional designs, find something you like, and simply take a screenshot to use as inspiration for your own project. And by the way, this is not going to be just a static landing page. We're building a real AI-powered web application capable of generating high-quality images directly from user prompts. What makes this even more exciting is that ZOER allows us to integrate AI image generation using Nanobanana. So by the end of this video, we'll have an actual working AI product, not just a front-end design. Now, let's say I want to recreate this design, but also refine it and customize it so it perfectly matches the SaaS platform we want to build. To do that, I'm simply going to upload the screenshot right here. And then I'll enter a prompt like this. Recreate this exact design with identical text, layout, positioning, styles, and proportions. Remove any character and set the background to solid black. Keep all elements in place, but refine the design details for a cleaner, modern SaaS-style look suitable for an AI-powered image generator platform. And honestly, that's all we need. I'm going to keep agent mode enabled, switch it to ZOER Pro for stronger reasoning and higher quality generation, and then let ZOER handle the entire process. Now watch this. As soon as I submit the prompt, ZOER immediately starts analyzing everything, and within just a few seconds, it generates a complete creation plan for the project. What's really impressive is that you can actually review the entire plan before the app starts building. You can modify sections, change features, adjust the structure, or even guide the AI further if you want more control. But in this case, everything already looks great. So I'm just going to click on Start Building Application. And just like that, ZOER gets to work. You can see the AI automatically breaking the project down into multiple tasks and building the application step by step completely on its own. Now, one really important thing to understand is that when building full stack applications, ZOER will usually start by generating the database structure first. But in this case, because we didn't mention a database in our prompt, ZOER is currently focusing only on building the front end and the hero section design. Later in the video, we're going to push ZOER much further. We'll generate the backend, database, authentication system, and all of the core application features using a single advanced prompt, which is going to be a real challenge for the AI. But for now, let's focus on creating the hero section first. So let's give ZOER a few moments to finish generating the initial design. And finally, the generation is complete. ZOER did a really good job recreating the overall style and layout, and we already have a very strong hero section to work with. Now, there are still a few small adjustments that I want to make before moving to the next step. First, I've decided that I want to use a full screen video as the background of my hero section. So because of that, I need to remove all of these spotlight effects and extra background elements to make the design cleaner and more cinematic. I also want to make this main headline slightly smaller and cleaner. So I'm going to enter another prompt and say, remove all spotlight effects from the background and set it to pure black. Remove the specified element from the attached image. Keep the overall design intact and place the Powered by AI headline on a single line for a cleaner, more modern look. And that's it. I hit send, and within just a few seconds, ZOER updates the entire project and applies every single change automatically. Now the hero section is much cleaner and perfectly prepared for a cinematic background video. But before adding the video, I also want to fix a small layout issue on these elements over here on the right side. Instead of manually debugging the layout myself, I can simply take a screenshot of the issue, upload it directly into the chat, and ask the AI agent to fix it for me. All right, there we go. The layout issue is now completely fixed. But since I want the background video to become the main visual focus of the hero section, I'm also going to make these right side elements slightly smaller, remove a few unnecessary parts, and push the layout a little more toward the right side of the screen. You can keep adjusting things, testing different layouts, and refining the design until you reach the exact look you want. All right, now everything is finally ready for us to add the background video. And for the video itself, you can use anything that matches your brand or design style. You can use stock footage, motion graphics, product visuals, or even generate your own AI videos. In my case, I'm going to use this image right here and turn it into a cinematic animated video using v.io. So you can open the second link down below and create your Veed account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Create option from the top menu, and then select the AI Playground feature. Right here, you can choose your preferred aspect ratio, set the duration of the video, and select the AI model you want to generate the animation with. And what's really impressive is that Veed supports some of the most advanced AI video models currently available. For this project, I'm going to use Google Veo 3.1, so I'll select that model, then upload the image that I want to animate. Once the image is uploaded, Veed will automatically generate a prompt for the animation. You can either use that prompt as it is or customize it further to get better results. And once you're happy with the final animation, simply export and download the video. Now all that's left is to upload this video to Vercel, get the public URL, and paste it into our prompt so the AI can use it directly in our website. All right, so to do that, just head over to Vercel and create a free account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the left sidebar and navigate to the storage section. Here you'll see an option that says Create Database. Click on that and then select the Blob option. Now just hit Continue, and here we need to configure our storage. Give your blob store a name, choose a region, and most importantly, make sure to set it to public so we can access the file via a URL. Perfect. Now our blob store is ready to go. Next, open it up, and from the bottom right corner, you'll see the Upload button. Click that, select your video file, and upload it. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your file listed inside the storage. It also gives you a public URL for that file. I'm going to copy the video URL, head back to my ZOER agent, and enter a prompt like this. Use this video, paste the URL here as a full screen background for the hero section. Set it to autoplay, loop, and muted. Make sure the video fully covers the screen and stays perfectly responsive across all screen sizes. That's all we need. I hit the send button, and within less than a minute, ZOER automatically integrates the video directly into the hero section. This already looks absolutely amazing. The cinematic background instantly makes the entire landing page feel more premium, modern, and much more immersive. But after looking at it for a moment, I think it would actually feel better if the video only played once when the user enters the website instead of looping forever. So I'm just going to disable the loop effect to make the experience feel cleaner and more natural. Anytime you make a change and you're not happy with the result, you can simply restore the previous version. And the best part is that ZOER even returns the credits you used for that task. So if the output isn't what you expected, you can roll back the change, recover your credits, and try again with a better prompt. Now, another really powerful thing about ZOER is that you can also use it to make your UI much more interactive. You're not limited to static designs. You can ask the AI to add animations, motion effects, hover interactions, or even 3D transformations to individual elements across your website. For example, let's take this card right here. I'm simply going to take a screenshot of the element, upload it into the chat, and ask the agent to apply some modern 3D effects and animations to it. And just like that, ZOER immediately updates the application and applies all of the changes automatically. And honestly, that's what makes tools like ZOER so powerful. Now it's finally time to put the AI into a real challenge. So far, we've mainly been working on the front end and visual design, but now I want ZOER to build the actual core of the application. I'm going to give it one complete advanced prompt that includes the full database system, user authentication, backend functionality, and most importantly, integration of the Nanobanana AI model so users can generate images directly inside the platform. Basically, we're about to turn this project into a complete AI-powered SaaS application. And by the way, I'll also share this full prompt with you guys. You can find it down below in the description of this video. So now I'm going to paste in the complete prompt, hit the send button, and let's see what ZOER can really do. And there we go. The generation is finally complete. So now, in addition to the hero section, ZOER has also generated multiple fully designed sections for the rest of our SaaS website. We first have the features section showcasing things like smart prompts, multiple image styles, fast AI generation, prompt history, and secure private generations. Then right below that, we have the How It Works section. After that, ZOER also generated a complete pricing section with both free and pro plans, followed by a clean FAQ section answering common questions users might have about the platform. Now, another really important thing is that we also have a fully functional authentication system built directly into the project. You can see the login button right here in the top right corner. So if I go ahead and click on it, we're immediately redirected to the authentication page of the website. Now, since we don't have an account yet, I'm going to create one first. So right here, I'll enter my name, an email address, and a password. Then I simply click on Create Account. Once I do that, the platform automatically sends a verification email for account confirmation. And after confirming the account, I can go ahead and log into the application. And just like that, we now have a complete user authentication system fully working inside our SaaS platform. Now, once the user logs into their account, they're automatically redirected to the core feature of the platform, the AI image generator itself. So before we actually test the AI image generator, let's quickly take a look at the database setup, because inside the prompt, I asked the ZOER agent to generate a complete backend database structure for our application. So if I open the database section right here, you can see that ZOER has already created multiple tables for the app, including generations, profiles, and subscriptions. And this is one of the most powerful parts of using ZOER. You have full control over the entire database. You can add new tables, modify existing ones, expand relationships, and continue building your backend using nothing but simple prompts. Now, another feature that's incredibly useful, especially for developers, is that ZOER also gives you full access to the source code of your application. And the best part is that the code updates automatically as you continue adding new features and developing your project. All right, now let's finally test the AI image generator itself. Right here, I've entered a simple prompt and selected the anime style. So let's go ahead and click on Generate Image. All right, looks like we have a small issue with the API key configuration. Now, honestly, it's pretty rare to run into errors while using ZOER. But even if something does go wrong, the process is still incredibly simple. All you have to do is copy the error message, paste it directly into the chat, and ask the ZOER agent to fix the issue for you. So I'll do that quickly. All right, now the issue is fixed. Let's test it one more time. I'll enter another prompt, hit the generate button. Okay, the result looks decent, but I can already tell that something still feels off, and I think I know exactly why. While fixing the API issue, I forgot to properly specify the Nanobanana integration, which means the image generator currently isn't being powered by the correct AI model. So right now, the generation quality isn't as smart or accurate as it should be. To fix that, I'm going to enter another prompt like this. The image generator is not smart enough. Make sure to integrate Nanobanana to power up our image generation tool. I'll also upload a quick screenshot for additional context and then hit send. And just like that, ZOER automatically updates the integration and properly connects the application with the Nanobanana model. All right, now let's test it again. This time, we also have multiple aspect ratio options available, which is really nice. So let's hit generate. And there we go. The results already look much more advanced and accurate. The AI now understands prompts much better, generates higher quality outputs, and users can also create images in different visual styles, like this anime style right here. Everything is now working perfectly. And from this point, you can continue expanding the application even further. For example, you could add payment systems, build an admin dashboard, create user credit systems, or add even more advanced AI features. And actually, I've already covered a lot of those topics in my previous ZOER tutorials here on the channel, so I'll leave those videos linked down below in the description. Right here at the top, we also have the settings panel, which gives us full control over the entire application. Inside app settings, we can manage things like the app name, visibility, project details, and other general configurations. Then inside the auth section, we can control authentication settings, enable email verification, and even configure Google Sign-In for users. Below that, we have the users section, where we can view and manage all registered users of the platform. We also have the environment variables section, which is where we securely store things like API keys and sensitive configuration values for our application. And finally, we have the domain section, where we can connect a custom domain and publish the project using our own professional website URL. And on top of all of that, ZOER also allows you to deploy your application directly from the platform itself. So let's say you've finished building your website, everything looks good, and now you're ready to make your app live for the world to see. All you have to do is click on the deploy button right here in the top right corner. Then simply select deploy to production. Now, ZOER will automatically start building and deploying the application for you. This process usually takes around a minute, and once the deployment is complete, ZOER instantly provides you with a live production URL for your website. And just like that, your application is now fully live on the internet and accessible from anywhere in the world. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. And honestly, the fact that we were able to build and deploy a complete AI-powered SaaS application using mostly simple prompts is absolutely insane. With ZOER, we created the UI, backend, database, authentication system, AI image generator, and even deployed the entire app live to the internet, all inside one platform. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got a lot more advanced AI web development content coming soon. And as always, all the important links, resources, and prompts will be down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.